Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to log in and reset your Myspace account password. Sometimes you may forget your password. If you have forgot your password, don't worry, it can be reset. To reset your Myspace account password, first click on browser. Go to myspace.com, myspace.com. Click on sign in button shown on the left side of your screen. You can sign in with your Facebook, Twitter and email. To sign in with your email, enter your email or username. Enter your password. Click on keep me signed in. After clicking on this, you don't have to sign in again when you use it next time. After typing your email or username and password, click on sign in button. To reset your password, click on forgot password. Enter your email. Enter your username. Click on I am not a robot. Select the pictures according to the question. Click on verify. Click on submit. Myspace has sent you a password reset link. Check your email for the link. Click on email. Click on the link. Enter your new password. Your new password should be combinations of upper and lower cases, numbers, and special characters. Retype your new password. Click on reset password. Now your password has been successfully reset. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.